Hello everyone and welcome back to a new video. In this video, I'm going to show you guys how to compress a PDF size in Adobe Acrobat. So if you guys want to learn how to do it, just follow the steps that I'm going to show you. As you can see guys, I'm right now in Adobe Acrobat and this is how the homepage looks like. So right here in the left, we have recent files, stored files, Adobe Cloud Storage, Agreements, and other file storage. From here, you can add the file storage. So I'm going to go back to Recent. Right here, you're going to find the recommended tools for you. And if you want to see all of the tools, just click on See All Tools. And then you're going to be able to see all the tools. And if you go to the search bar, you can find any tool that you want by searching for it. Right here under Work with the PDF Now, if you click on Open File, you're going to find any PDF that you want, search for it in your computer, and you can use it. So, for example, I'm going to choose this PDF from Recent. Here on the right, we have the Share option, Request a Signature, Edit a PDF, Export, Organize Pages, Add Comments, and Fill and Sign. I'm going to click on Edit a PDF. And right here, you're going to find all of the tools that you will need in order to edit your PDF. Modify the page, add content, and there is some other options. And in the top, you're going to find all of the tools. Edit, convert if you want to convert your PDF. And lastly, sign if you want to add your e-signature. Here in all tools, you're going to find a tool called Compress a PDF. Go ahead and click on it. And then right here, you're going to find the options to reduce the file size, single file, multiple files, advanced optimization, optimize, scanned pages, and lastly, free pre-flight. So just choose the option that suits you, and this is how you can compress a PDF. So this is it guys for today's video. Thank you guys for watching. See you guys in the next video.